Hi students, in this video we will learn how to change command settings for points creation in Civil 3D. We can create points in many ways using the points menu in the create ground panel here on the home tab of the ribbon. Points can also be imported from the text file or external database or converted from AutoCAD points or other legacy point types. So we must need to know about point settings command before the creations and applying tricks about Civil 3D points. When we talk about point settings, we are actually referring to what is known as command settings for points. We provided a quick introduction to command setting in the first chapter, as you know. So now you well know that all the settings that define the creation of Civil 3D object are available as command setting in the setting tab of tool space here. As we discuss the creation and management of Civil 3D points, it is recommended to have the previously mentioned setting readily available for on-the-fly modifications, whether or not the change you make on the fly or remember the next time you create points depend on your template settings. To make sure that the setting you change hold every time you create points, you need to follow these steps. For command settings, you can come to the prospector tab and then setting tabs of tool space. Look at the point branch here and expand them with plus sign. Then click the plus sign to expand the commands. You can expand your tool space. Now as shown here, you can see we have create points and then right click to see edit command settings. Now you can expand the journal section here and verify that save command changes is set to yes. You will notice that this changes affects only the create points command. If you want to save the settings at the point collection level for all commands related to points creation, you will do that from the edit feature settings option that can be selected when you right click the points collection. By settings, the save commands changes to setting option to yes. You are ensuring that changes you make on the create points toolbar will be saved for the next time you use the command. If you explore the command setting further, you will see the option default layer and points creation. You will notice that these commands are represented with a different icon from the other settings. So you can make many changes related to commands. Here we have everything about points command. So in the next video we will exercise related to points creations. Stay tuned with